Hey, what is up, guys? Good morning. This is DAM Trader. Today it's Friday, June 11, 2021, and it's 6:03 a.m. today here in Colorado. Anyway, I'm gonna go through my quick review, my quick recap. Hopefully, it's quick. Anyway, AEMD, ORPH, and Gray. Started out with Gray at 7:10, which is 5:10 my time. I saw Gray going up, looked pretty good. You didn't want to touch VWeb anymore. Took off right here, right? Um, Opening of the pre-market was right here, so you didn't want to touch back. I was trying to aim right here, never touched it. So as it goes up, missing out, got FOMO, dropped down, didn't even get in right here. Should have gotten in, but I FOMOed in, get in right here, and quick scalp 745 to 756. The high of this candle was 764, so I exit right there. You're never gonna get the highest, you're never gonna get the lowest, and so forget about that dream. You may here and there, but not always. Anyway, so that's GRAY right here. Only took about 2.30 minutes, right? Fees only 2 cents, and so $11 profit, 1.48% return there. Next one I traded was ORPH. ORPH was crazy, right? You've seen this one from yesterday. I saw this one from yesterday. Sorry guys for not being able to make videos every day because I am super busy. Got 3 kids. One was in the hospital the whole week, so I wasn't able to do any videos. Anyway, ORPH. Let's do 1 day, 1 minute. I mean, check this stock out. Went from $5 all the way to $77, and then now it dropped hard, right? $4.97. I mean, who the heck pumped this stock? You went up 1,500%. That is crazy. So it dropped hard, dropped harder, and then now it started curling back up. I saw this late because I was trading GRAY, turned my attention to this, and saw this going up. I'm like, I am chasing this. It dropped right there. I got in right there at 1025, right around that area right there, and then it dropped lower, add more here at 995. I was thinking of getting in with 500 shares because I knew this is gonna rip, but that dropped kind of like, ooh, it's like, oh, maybe not. So kept on going. Target profit was actually around 1150, but too scared right in that choppiness right there, and I was like, I don't know. So I took 100 shares out there, and then I took the rest right there at 1095. Right down there, so not the highest, right? 1095. And then I saw the momentum still going, so I got in with 500 share finally, 1121. But I was not waiting for that high, and so I'm like, I'm out. So quick scalp there. ORPH, the first 200 shares, made 7% there with $143 gained, 8 minutes of holding. And ORPH got in with 500 shares, made $6, 1.07% return for 24 seconds. And finally, AMD. Um, I've made good money on this one. I made over $1,000 on this, but that was 2 days ago. Yeah, let's look at the 5 days, 5 minute right here. And so this stock was crazy. It opened up right here, dropping 7 o'clock. Yeah, right there. It was spiking, and I got FOMO right up here. 1 day, 1 minute. Let's look at 5 days, 5 minutes, right? Oh, 5 days, 1 minute. Sorry. Uh, 5 days, 1 minute. Let's go back to where I traded. All right, so right here at 7 o'clock, pre-market opened and it went up, right? It went up. I got FOMO and it dropped. Should have gotten right here. I was drawing my trend line. I was like, this is an upward momentum. I'm gonna chase this. So I chased it right here at 924. It dropped. I got in again at 906 and it just continued dropping, and so I kept on adding, kept on adding, kept on adding, kept on adding. I mean, look at this stock, right? It went up to $18, so I thought, oh, maybe it's gonna go back to $18. Don't think like that, guys. That is a beginner idea right there, right? Never think that the stock's gonna go up that high again. And so it dropped. I get in right here again, added more, average down. This is my defensive play, guys. And so as it goes down, you add more, right? This I should have gone right here, but with the momentum that it was dropping, I was questioning. I was like, maybe it's gonna continue dropping. So my target went to 536 instead of here. So I didn't add. Instead, I put my limit buy right here. I was doubling down right here, right? And yeah, instead it's never touched that. It continued to go up, and I'm like, okay, there's an upper trend coming. And so as it goes up right here, I started selling. Should have made $1,200 right up here, and maybe I could have add more here and then sold up here, and add more here and sold up there. But I'm happy with $1,200, and so there's that trade, $1,200, and then I kept on scalping after that. But this morning, talking about this morning, right here, of course, after the bounce on VUAB, I missed the whole play because of ORPH and GRAY. 7 o'clock, I started trading at 7:40. So, what, 20 minutes later or 15? Let's see, 7:20. Yeah, so I'm done with ORPH right around here, and I saw this going up, and I saw it in my scanner. I was like, oh my goodness, there's AEMP. It went up. I waited. Right when it dropped, I got in right here at 267, and I wanted to sell right there, but it started going down, and I'm like, this might be it. And so, right when it's dropped, I didn't sell it, and I just took my 10 cents gain right there, and I'm like, I'm out. I'm not gonna hold too long. And so that's my trade on AMD. Only 1.49%, $2, and so not bad trade. $216. Let's look at the week. Last 7 days from 7th to 11th. $1,744.17, guys. Not a bad day, not a bad week at all. The month, I lost money, by the way. There was one that I lost big on. There's one right there, and then there's one more. Oh, that's a small one right here. This is the biggest one. This is a stupid trade. I didn't post a replay on this, but yeah, big loss right there. So it could have made about 2,000 plus this week, but I take 1,700 any day. Yeah, so this is my trade for this week, guys. Look at the winning percentage, 92% winning percentage. What else? Yeah, that's it. Last week, I mean this week, 96%. So look at that, 96% winning rate. Anyway, stay green, stay positive. Take your gain, man. Stay green. Don't be afraid. Like, who cares if it's just $2 gain? I mean, look at that. But everything adds up. Everything adds up. So anyway, take care, guys. I'm up to 10 minutes now, and so see you guys next time. Hopefully, the next trading day. if I'm able to take time to make videos. Anyway, I think I say anyway too much. All right, take care, guys.